Today, we're unpacking a massive trend shift happening in the digital business world, why traditional e-commerce is being replaced by immersive digital experiences, and how this evolution is reshaping how we sell online in 2025. Whether you're selling through Shopify, Etsy, Gumroad, or your own site, understanding the shift is critical to staying ahead. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to evolve your model from transactional selling to transformational digital engagement, and why this is essential to succeed this year. Let's dive in. The e-commerce space is more crowded than ever. Now, platforms like Shopify made it easy to launch a store, but that ease has created oversaturation. Everyone has a store, but not everyone delivers an experience. That's the problem. In 2025, just selling physical products online isn't enough. Competition is brutal. Millions of stores are fighting for the same audience. Profit margins are getting squeezed as advertising costs soar. Customer acquisition costs are up over 60% in just 2 years. Building loyalty off one-off transactions is harder than ever. Now, don't get me wrong, selling online isn't dead, but relying only on a product-based funnel, that's yesterday's model. The issue? E-commerce has stayed transactional while consumers now expect connection, value, and transformation, hallmarks of the experience economy. So what's working now? Digital experiences flip the script on traditional online selling by emphasizing interaction, transformation, and community over a one-way purchase. Here's why digital experiences are becoming the premium model for creators and entrepreneurs in 2025. Higher perceived value. People pay more for transformation, not just tools. Multiple price points. You can structure experiences into tiers, increasing access while maintaining premium options. Community-driven scale. Scale organically by turning customers into advocates. Stronger emotional connection. People remember experiences, not checkout carts. Lower fulfillment overhead. No inventory, shipping, or return headaches. This shift is at the core of modern digital businesses and is exploding in the creator economy. Let's talk real-world examples that are killing it right now. Challenges, goal-driven, time-bound transformations, like a 30-day fitness challenge integrating coaching and community, a 2-week digital launch sprint for aspiring founders, a quarterly level up your code bootcamp. These formats dominate platforms like NAS.io, where creators are scaling beyond product sales into transformational digital programs. Virtual events. Learning plus connection in real time. Expert-led workshops and themed masterclasses. Niche summits or online conferences. Live Q&As and feedback sessions. Memberships, ongoing access and support. Private communities packed with ongoing resources. Monthly expert check-ins and live trainings. Curated content libraries that grow over time. What's key? Each of these models turns one-off sales into ongoing digital relationships. You might be thinking, but I sell physical products. How do I apply this? Let's walk through examples of e-commerce transformation by a few niches. Fashion or apparel. Style challenges like 7 days, 7 looks shared via your platform. Virtual styling workshops or seasonal looks. A community-driven outfit of the month club. Health wellness products. Monthly holistic wellness journeys using your products. Live talks with wellness coaches or experts. A subscription-based accountability hub. Home goods or decor. Virtual room makeovers with guided consultations. Seasonal redecorate your space events. DIY workshops centered around your decor line. Digital products or courses. Turn your digital download into a cohort-driven experience. Add guided implementation calls or live Q&A. Create a private support community around your course. B2B services. Run niche-specific growth challenges. Example, 5-day LinkedIn optimization for consultants. Create exclusive masterminds and networking events. Build a membership space for peer-led learning. The result? Businesses shifting towards experiential commerce are seeing 3 to 5 times higher customer lifetime value, sharply reduced CAC or customer acquisition costs, stronger brand loyalty and more referrals, predictable recurring revenue from digital memberships. Even if you're running a Shopify store, you can evolve it today. Use a platform like NAS.io to launch challenges, host workshops, or build community-driven memberships. So how do you actually build these digital experiences? That's where NAS.io comes in. It's an all-in-one platform built to help creators monetize digital communities and run high-converting experiential products. Launch step-by-step challenges with ease, host interactive workshops and events, build tiered memberships with exclusive access, handle payments, content, and engagement in one place, grow your digital business without tech stress. This is what turns creators into brands and brands into communities. Here's what to do right now. Take 5 minutes to brainstorm one way your product or service can deliver a digital experience. Explore NAS.io to see how creators are building profitable digital businesses. And finally, drop a comment. What experience could you create that your audience would love? The digital experience economy is already here. The brands that evolve will thrive. The rest, they'll get left behind. Are you ready to turn your audience into a community and your product into a transformational experience? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.